Alright, my next video is going to be how to install reverse lights on a 2016 Honda Accord. I think the models you can do from 2015 to 2017. So obviously I got like a little head start. I didn't want to have a long video. This is the back panel that goes up here on the back side. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, you can see it. These are the clips that hold it. It's about 12 or 13 clips right here. I use a flathead, the plying mark to stick it through the slot. It should be good. Pretty thin, small tool. Alright, right here is the reverse lights, LEDs. Hold on, let me pause this real quick. Alright, I'm back. So here's the LED light I got right here. It's pretty nice and fancy. You can see it. Goes all across the side of that. So here, so yeah, the brake lights is going to be right here. This right here, and this is the park lights right here. So you're gonna hit the little tab button on the other side to pull it out, just like that. Then you're gonna twist it. I guess clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. This is the regular bulb right here, obviously. Let's go over here and install it. So bear with me, I got one hand. So let's pull it out just like that. And just stick it in. It shouldn't matter what side, but whoopsie. Oh, for a minute. Don't worry with me. Alright, back. So stick this flat in right here on this side piece right here. Just right there. Like that. And this is the old bulb too. Right here. And this is the new LED one. Alright. Walk back over here. Stick it back in the slot. Ugh. That's how I get it. Come on. Alright, I got it in there. Just stick it back there, so. See it. Alright, do it clockwise. Alright. That's the other side already installed. Let's put it out for you. Do the same thing. Stick it in there. Come on, come on. Alright. Clockwise. Alright. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up. Alright. It's kind of dangerous, but I'm going to do it anyways. Make sure you put the emergency brake all the way back. The reverse. So I'm going to go all the way back. Ease off the pedal, the brake. Alright. And voila. It's pretty bright. Let's put this down over the see how it looks. Not too bad. So yeah. That's it. Then this reverse, how you put it back on. With the clips and everything too, so on that, that's it. Please make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe. Alright, bye.